The storm did a number on the potatoes last night and knocked a few down, but I came out to check on them, and this one's cracked at the stem. And then I look over and look down in the center, and my berry is there. I finally have my first berry, but I'm gonna have to, I hate doing those, take this one off. Oh, I need scissors. It's time to play doctor and see if I can do anything about the potato here. This straw, let me cut it up and see if it's a possibility. I'm gonna cut the stem right here. That little node that's coming out. It's called patience. Up here. I actually need a bamboo stick to tie this to. This plant took a really good hit. Look at all these beautiful little flowers. It's like, take this. Let me go get a stick. get some soil and fill it up a little more. I didn't bring string out with me, but I'll get a string or what's that called? Oh, can't remember. I'm not take too much from down here. But, you know, it gives us a day and see if it helps. And then all the other ones, you know, take some of the bottom leaves off. Some more soil. Get these guys standing back up again. Get some straw, more straw around them. Back over here to, there's the berry today. The plant is doing well right here, even with the top broke out. And then this is the top I replanted. And oops. Okay, this is the top I pulled off and put in the ground, and it looks like it's doing all okay. All I gotta do is keep the soil moist, and it should form some roots. The plants are opening up today with all the sun and flowering again, so I'm going to try a little more cross-pollinating and see if, even though it's humid, I'm not sure if pollen will be, viable or too wet to come out. What I'm going to do with the damaged, I'm not sure that I can save the flower top, but I'm going to give it a shot. Take some potting soil, put it in the grow bag here. This is the first time this plant has produced flowers, so I'm gonna see if I can get the flowers okay enough to survive this. Keep them in the shade over here. Under the chair. And check on it later. See a little stress here on this one, but I think it should be okay. I need to look further in and see if anything is broke. I've got this one in bloom, this one in bloom. There's a new bloom on that one and a bloom on that one. That one is getting ready to bloom. There seems to be an issue there, so I'm going to have to look closer and see if there's a break on that plant too. These guys have been flattened a bit in the center. I'll go in and get some straw and put in. And within a day, you know, the foam there is probably mosquitoes. So I have to pour all this water out. And look at this bucket. That's a week's worth of rain. And then that has been knocked over. I'm going to put some dirt around it and a stick to see if I can set it back up. The seedlings in the tray are turning yellow. I'm going to have to get them transplanted. That's actually the first, you know, seed leaf that's coming out. The cotyledon leaf that's turning yellow, so I can pull that off. But we may not have a cold crop this year. You know, with temperatures getting hot today from going from cold. And then there's an issue here on the broccoli, but I can just pull that leaf off and not worry about it. That's another one that needs a leaf pulled off. With all the rain, the walnut trees are right here, and the height of the water came up probably enough for the walnut tree to come in and affect these guys a little bit with the juggalo. So I'm going to have to, you know, build this bed higher for next year. You know, it's this topsoil bags. You know, either put another layer or put a wood perimeter around it to keep the water from flowing in it.